In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename a project in Claude AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your new project name stick, so your workspace stays clear and organized. First, open your Claude AI account. Head to the Claude website and sign in if you aren't already. Once you're in, you'll land on the main interface where your tools and recent activity are visible. Make sure you're in the correct workspace if you use multiple ones, since project lists can differ by workspace. Next, click Projects. You'll usually find this in the left-hand navigation panel or the main dashboard area. The Projects section is where all your grouped conversations, files, and settings for specific initiatives live. Opening it brings up a list of your existing projects, often with summaries or timestamps that can help you identify the one you want. Now hover over the specific project you want to rename. Move your cursor across the list until you see the project's row highlight or reveal additional actions. Hovering lets Claude display quick controls without cluttering the page. If you manage a lot of projects, scan for recognizable keywords in your current naming, or use any available filtering to narrow things down so you're sure you're selecting the right one. With your cursor on that project, click Edit Details. This option typically appears as a button or an icon, often a pencil or an edit link. Once you hover, clicking it opens a small panel or modal with fields you can change for that project. Don't worry, opening Edit Details won't alter your content. It just gives you access to settings like the name. Here, enter the new name and click Save. Type a clear, descriptive name that reflects the project's purpose, team, or timeline. Aim for consistency if you use naming conventions, such as adding a date or version label, so future you and your collaborators can spot it instantly. Avoid including private information in the name. Before saving, double-check spelling and capitalization. A clean title makes it easier to find later. When you're ready, click Save. Claude applies the change immediately, and you should see the new name update in your project list and anywhere else it appears. That's it. You opened your Claude AI account, went to Projects, hovered over the project you wanted, clicked Edit Details, and entered the new name before saving. Renaming is quick, keeps your workspace tidy, and helps everyone stay aligned on what each project is for. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing in Claude AI.